Hello, welcome to RCL Workshop. My name is Mayla Bedrosian. I'm the International Student Advisor and one of the DSOs of the International Student Program. Today, we're going to talk about the RCL. We're going to review what is RCL, RCL types and the reasons for requesting a reduced course load, eligibility and the process of requesting an RCL. So RCL stands for reduced course load. As we already know, all international students are required to enroll full-time during the fall and spring semesters in order to maintain their F1 status. Full-time means at least 12 units per semester. International Student Program is required to report the student's enrollment to the U.S. government within 30 days of the start of each semester, and the students who are not enrolled full-time may lose their F1 status. Losing status means the student must either depart the U.S. or apply for an F1 status reinstatement with USCIS. There are limited circumstances that we may allow F1 students to reduce their course load. So what is a reduced course load? A reduced course load is an F1 student benefit that allows students to take less than 12 units while still maintaining the F1 visa requirements. In order to drop below 12 units, international student must receive prior authorization from International Student Program Office. This is done through requesting a reduced course load. Please remember, you must first receive an approval from ISP office to reduce your course load. There are three types of RCLs: academic, medical, and final semester RCL. Academic RCL is available only for semester students. If you are in your first semester and you're having initial difficulties with the English language or reading requirements or American teaching methods, you may apply for an academic reduced course load during your first semester. You may also apply for an RCL if you have been placed in proper course level by a counselor or dual placement test. For all academic reasons, the student must start the semester enrolled full-time. The student must receive a reduced course load approval from the International Student Program Office before dropping below 12 units. Once your RCL request is approved, you may then drop the approved classes. Please do not drop below 12 units until you receive a confirmation from the International Program Office for your reduced course load approval. Students with an approved RCL must remain enrolled in at least 6 units and must begin the full course of study at the next available semester. The academic RCL can only be requested one time, and it's during your first semester. So, how to request a reduced course load? In order to request a reduced course load, you must complete the reduced course load request form, which is posted on ISP website, and meet with your academic counselor to get a recommendation for a reduced course load. If eligible, your academic counselor will recommend your RCL and sign your RCL request form and will forward the form to our Associate Dean of Academic Affairs for evaluation and approval. Within 4 to 5 business days, you will receive an email confirmation from ISP office if your RCL request is approved. Medical reduced course load. If you have a medical or mental health condition, illness, or injury that prevents you from enrolling full-time, you may also apply for a medical reduced course load. To receive approval for a medical reduced course load, you must provide the documentation from a licensed medical doctor, licensed psychologist, or psychiatrist. If recommended by your doctor, you may reduce your course load, or you can even take a semester off. Medical RCL can be approved for more than one semester for up to 12 months. However, each semester requires its own medical letter, and the approval for a reduced course load enrollment will be given only one semester at a time. Please remember that medical reduced course load must be requested before the semester end date. In order to request a medical reduced course load, you need to contact your medical doctor to obtain a recommendation letter. The letter must indicate the semester or the dates during which the reduced course load is being recommended. You need then to complete the RCL request form. Again, it's posted in our website, and email your request along with the medical doctor's recommendation letter to ISP office for evaluation and approval. If your request is approved or additional information is needed, you will receive an email from International Student Program Office. The medical doctor's letter must be an official letterhead. As I said, it must include the semester or the dates which the RCL is being recommended, the address and contact information for the doctor, the medical license number, and the signature of the doctor. And the last RCL is the final semester RCL. You may apply for an RCL in your final semester if your courses are required to complete your academic program, such as your AA degree, certificate, or transfer requirements. Once approved, you can take from 1 to 11 units. If there is only one class left in order for you to complete the requirements for your academic program, that class must be in person. The class cannot be online. So you may also reduce your course load during your final semester if fewer courses are needed to complete your program. To request a reduced course load for your final semester, you again need to complete the RCL request form, meet with your academic counselor to verify that the current term is your final term. Your academic counselor will verify and sign your RCL request, and she will forward the request to our Associate Dean of Academic Affairs for evaluation or an approval. And again, within 4 to 5 business days, you will receive an email from ISP office for your RCL approval. So the RCL request form can be found in our website. And in order to request an academic RCL or final semester RCL, you must email your request to our academic counselor, Ms. Keika Stevenson. If you're applying for a medical RCL, you must email your request to Mr. Darren Krosh, to the address provided on your screen, or you can email the request also to me to get approval for medical RCL. This concludes our RCL workshop. Thanks for attending our RCL workshop.